Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Now, search engine optimization is a vital aspect of digital marketing and content creation. And mastering search engine optimization can make a whole lot of difference in website traffic and in ranking. Okay, and search engine optimization actually begins with keyword research and creating a relevant content around your keyword. Okay, now in my last video I looked at this Chatgpt extension, which I believe is one of the best out there. Okay, in view of the features that it came with. Now in today's video we're going to be taking a more profound look at this Chatgpt extension, and you will be amazed at the kind of things that you're going to find within this extension. All right, now if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do me a favor right away, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification button so that you get notified every time I upload relevant content like this. All right, so let's jump in straight to my computer screen, and let's take a more profound look at this Chatgpt extension. Now the bottom line here is for Chatgpt for search engine optimization. So last week I showed us this extension called AIPRM for Chatgpt, and I had it installed on my web browser, my Chrome web browser. Okay, but we couldn't actually take a deeper look at what this extension would do when you install it on your Chrome browser. There are loads of things, loads of features on this Chrome extension to help you really optimize your content so that you increase your traffic and increase your ranking. Okay, so let's look at how much this extension can actually help us to create and optimize content. Now, like I said earlier, a good SEO starts with keyword research. Okay, so when you look at this extension called AIPRM, there are loads of tools on this extension that are going to help you to do keyword research. Okay, or you want to outline your content, or even write your content. Okay, so let's take a look at these tools one by one. For example, this one said write human right rewriter. This one can actually rewrite your article for you. All right, but this is not what we are looking for right now, so let's go quickly. So if I'm going to do keyword research, I can actually come here and find a lot of tools for keyword research. For example, this one, keyword research. So what this one is going to do for you is if I click on it right now, and it said enter your keyword. So if I put in get response, okay, as my keyword, sorry, if I put in get response, okay, email marketing as my keyword. All right, now let's see what this tool is going to do for us. Okay, so what this tool is going to do for us, or is doing for us, is give us a cluster of keywords that we can basically settle down to write on. Okay, so if you're looking for keywords, you can actually use this to get a cluster of keywords to work with. All right, for example, I typed in, it's still generating keywords for us. Okay, let's just allow it to finish what it's doing. So it's still generating keywords. All right, so I think it's done. So actually what this tool gave us is a cluster of keywords. Remember, I put in get response as my seed keyword, and the tool ended up giving us clusters of keywords that we can actually basically write contents around. For example, this one say keyword, what is get response email marketing, search intent is informational, and the title also gave us title and give us meta description. Okay, so it actually gave us a cluster of keywords that we can work on. Okay, this one say get response. The title is get response and get response and Shopify, kind of a transactional keyword. So most time we give you commercial keywords also, and transactional keyword. Okay, so you go back again. We go back again. Let's look at some of the tools that are inclusive on this AI PRM stuff. Okay, so let's go up again. Let's check the next chapter. So this tool say click blog post. Write a blog post in one click. Okay, write a blog post in one click. This one said Instagram carousel. We don't really need these ones right now. SEO article writer, create 1000 word article with hook, introduction and conclusion. Okay, this one say one click course writer. There are massive amount of tools here that you can use to create your content. All right, let's check out this particular one. It says click blog post and see what this one's gonna look like. It said topic prompt. Okay, let's put in a topic. Let me say email marketing with get response. Email marketing with get response. Let's see what this tool is gonna do for us. Okay, now it's giving us keywords. And I always recommend that you don't just take these keywords and go and be creating content around them. You must have a pale tool that you're going to use to actually find out the volume of this keyword, the search volume, the SEO difficulty, and every other metric that you need to find out before creating content around this keyword. Okay, so actually the tool is still generating keywords and writing the blog for us. Now it's beginning to write the blog, actually writing the blog for us. So it's an introduction to email marketing with get response, writing everything that you need. I'm going to stop it because we still need to check out some more tools within this AI PRM. Okay, so remember here we said email marketing with get response, and it's actually gave us keyword, content briefing, email marketing with get response. It gave us short keywords, and it gave us long tail keyword, give us header outline, give us everything that we need to create this content, and then almost writing the content, give us the meta description, title tag, and then began to write the content for us. Okay, so folks, we're talking about Chatgpt for search engine optimization here. Okay, if you're getting value from this video, please give me a like and then leave a comment. So I'm still on this Chatgpt Chrome extension. All right, so we looked at one of the tools within this Chrome extension, AI PRM. Okay, and you see what that tool was actually doing, writing a whole blog with just a click. So we are using this tool. We just use this tool right now on this extension. Okay, so when we go down, this one is article write, SEO article writer, create 1000 word article with hook, introduction and conclusion. All right, so you can come back and check out this one also. Okay, let's go down. This one say caption hashtag. No, we don't need this. Let's go down. We're looking at actually tools that are going to help us to optimize our content. Okay, so and there are loads of them on this extension. So this one is write a unique article based on another one. So actually you can get an article that is ranking number 1 on Google. All right, come in here, paste it here. All right, click on this tool, paste it here, and have this AI rewrite it for you. Okay, this one is meta title and description, YouTube tag keyword generator with keyword, or tag generator with keyword. This one say blog post title generator, generate post title with a click. All right, so if you're looking at creating a title for your blog posts, you can actually use this tool. All right, now all these tools are still within the AI PRM Chatgpt Chrome extension, so you can check it out later. This one is keyword generator. All right, so for example, if I'm looking for keywords around my seed keyword, I can also use this one. Let's click on it and see what is obtainable here. It's a coffee toy, jewelry, shoes. Just put in a keyword. Let's put in let me say get response again. I love get response. Let me say get response again. Okay, and say that's our keyword. Let's see what keyword it's going to generate for us. So it's giving us a whole lot of keywords out there around get response. All right, generating keywords around get response. So you see this. Okay, so let's check out another feature within this Chrome extension. All right, okay, let's check out more. There's a particular one here that I used recently, and that one is quite amazing. Let's go in this one. Write an SEO friendly product description. Okay, let's go for the 15-second short description for no. Rewrite text 100% human score. No. Create high converting Facebook ad. No, that is not what we're looking for. Okay, we check out the next chapter. This one's a code generator bypassing ChatGPT. No. ChatGPT will be your social manager. No, that is not what we're looking for. We're actually looking for tools that we can use for optimization of our content, so that we can achieve more increase in traffic and ranking. Okay, create perfect landing page is another tool for creating landing page with just a click. Okay, with just a click. Find all resources in one click. This one, there's a particular tool I'm looking for. Write a book chapter fast, topical authority, high CTR, meta description. Get a monthly content schedule by just typing a keyword. So if you're looking at having series of content within a month, okay, this particular tool can help you to plan out, get a monthly content schedule, okay, that is going to last you for a whole month, and you can create content around. Let's just try out this one. You say inside the primary keyword you want to create. Let me use get response. Okay, get response email marketing. So let's see the content schedule that it's going to give us. Get response email marketing. Okay, so I'm going to enter this keyword and see how this tool give you a schedule of content, and it's going to last you for a month, 4 weeks content. All right, something you're going to blog post that you're going to work on, post for a whole week. Okay, so for the first week it gave us a blog content. For the first week it gave us a blog post title, and give us titles to work on. Week 2 gave us about 3 content ideas. Week 1 gave us about 3 content ideas. Week 4 so for a whole month it gave us content ideas for a whole month. All right, so for example, my seed keyword is email marketing, get response with email marketing with get response, and it gave me a schedule of content for a whole week. Get response email marketing, a comprehensive guide for beginners, why get response email marketing is the best choice for businesses. It actually gave me a whole schedule of content for a complete month. All right, so let's take a further look. Let's take more look. There is a particular tool within this extension that I actually want to show you, and we will be done. So you can come here and check out how you can actually use this Chrome extension to create content that are fully optimized. Okay, so this one said Write best title and article with one keyword. Whoa, this is awesome. Write best title and article with just one keyword. Create YouTube killer titles. Okay, a lot here. All right, this is the one I'm looking for. This particular tool say best keyword ideas. Let's see what this one is going to do for us, and we will be done. It says seed keyword, and seed keyword that you to research for, that you want to research for. So we're trying to see what this particular tool is going to do for us. So I'm going to enter let me enter get response again. Of course, I believe you know what get response is. So I put in my seed keyword and see what result this tool is gonna generate. Remember, we are looking at most of the tools within inside this Chatgpt extension, and we're doing it for the purpose of search engine optimization, to optimize your content so that you get found on Google search. Okay, so it's actually generating. It says, sure, I can help you with that. As an SEO expert and advanced keyword research tool, I can provide you with a list of 100 relevant and high search volume keyword for the seed keyword get response. And it's doing that. It's giving us keywords, search volumes, cost per click, paid difficulty, SEO difficulty. All right, generating some LSI keywords. All right, within for the keyword that we gave to it. All right, my internet is a bit slow, but we just have to keep going. Okay, so it said get response, search volume 450,000, and then cost per click $11, paid competition is 41, which is still good. SEO difficulty 68. No, this is not good. If you're new, if your website is new, this is not a good keyword for this is actually not a good keyword for. So it keeps generating keywords, but my internet is a little bit slow. It keeps generating keywords. So actually what this tool is doing for you is generating keywords that you can create content around. All right, so that is it. So if you actually want to see results with your content creation, give this extension a deep look. All right, it has loads and loads of tools that you can use to create content. Okay, so thank you for being there. Check out this tool at your own time and give it a deeper look. Okay, thank you for being there. God bless you. All right, if you got something from this video, please give me a like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Thank you for being there, and God bless you.